got the Mega, and he got his Mega little pistol, the Big Shot. These are both my guns, but I'm letting him use them. Yeah, and then I got the Elite mini pistol, and then I got my Nerf sniper. I call it my Nerf sniper. It works good as a Nerf sniper. But I hope that you guys enjoy this video, and let's go. So Nate, you're gonna go downstairs. Go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nerf war has started. Yeah, he got my foot. Dang it, 2 shots, kill. Got you, Nate. Oh, dang it, my pistol fell out. Pistol. I got one shot on Nate, and then he got. Yeah, I did. I got you in the foot. Bro, holy crap, that was a close shot. Sorry, guys, reloading. I gotta go get the pistol!